So here is problem set 16, and this problem set looks at distributing a negative with numbers. So for our first example, we're going to take a look, and we are going to distribute a negative 2 over 3x plus 3, and then we have plus 3 times 2x plus 3. And what we notice here is that we're going to need to distribute all of negative 2. That negative stays with the 2. So I have negative 2 times 3x, that gives me negative 6x, and negative 2 times a positive 1, which gives me a negative 2. Then I have a positive 3 times 2x, which gives me a positive 6x, and a positive 3 times a positive 3, which gives me a positive 9. Well, now that I've distributed, I can go ahead and combine like terms, and a negative 6x plus 6x are like terms, and so those terms disappear, and I'm left with a negative 2 plus 9, which gives me 7. For another example, here we have another example, and I have negative 3 times 4 plus negative 2 times x plus negative 1 times 2x plus 5. We need to remember our PEMDAS rules. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the negative 1 and multiply that times the 2x plus 5. So that gives me a negative 2x plus a negative 5. Now inside these parentheses I can combine like terms. So that x plus a negative 2x gives me a negative 1x. Now I'm going to distribute this negative 2. So that negative 2 times a negative 1x, and then negative 2 times a negative 5, so that gives me a positive 2x plus 10. Well, now I can combine like terms inside here, so 4 plus 10 gives me 14 plus 2x. My final step is to distribute this negative 3, which is negative 3 times 14, which gives me a negative 42, and negative 3 times 2x, which gives me a negative 6x. I cannot combine these because they are not like terms. Be very careful. The common mistake here is that students go 4 plus a negative 2 before distributing, and that is a mistake because you must multiply before you do the adding.